Welcome to the TreeRing time demonstration on how to configure the rate matrix. The rate matrix feature in Time Center can be used to pay employees different amounts based on the department or job they work in. The rate matrix option allows department and job rates to be assigned by employee and allows a different rate to be assigned to each employee. This feature overrides other pay and bill rates that are set up for the employee in the employee rules. A simple example would be, and we'll use a restaurant, a hostess or host would get perhaps a salary, we'll use $15 an hour, but if they're working as a server, since they will be getting tips, they might get a lesser wage, let's just say $13 an hour. When the employee punches in as a server, they would get the rate matrix for the server. When they punch in as a host, when they're filling in, when the host is off for their lunch, then they would get the host rate. Rate matrices are assigned to employee in the rate matrix form. If the user's login security settings prevent them from viewing pay rates or bill rates in Time Center, those columns will be hidden from view in this form. To find setting up the rate matrix, go to Rule Configuration, Rule Setup, Rate Matrix. To add a new rate matrix, click Add New Rate Matrix. You will need to enter a code to represent the plan. This can be up to 10 alphanumeric characters. In the description field, enter a name or description for the plan up to 30 characters. The top tracking in the base level field, define the top labor tracking level of the plan. This is linked to hierarchies or the organization level of your organization. The top tracking level will be the information the employee enters first. The second tracking level will be tied to this top level. If you change this level, you will get a warning that you're erasing the current plan. For example, we're going to change from vendor to department. We're getting a warning that the current matrix will be erased. We click OK. Now that we're in the department, we can add the level codes. We're going to set up something for the warehouse. So we click on the warehouse, click Add Level Codes. Now we'll be asked to define the new level rates. The dollar amount will be added to the employee pay or bill rate and successive levels. The dollar amount can contain up to 4 digits after the decimal point. This field will populate with the rate entered in the company setup form, but can be changed. If you use this optional pay rate category, this pay rate can be calculated and displayed in the department and job reports and exported to payroll. The percent value is the percentage applied to the employee pay or bill rate and successive levels. F, the amount is the rate applied to the pay or bill. So we're going to enter a level of $15. And the pay rate is the pay rate for the selected employee for the chosen department or job. The bill rate for the selected employee, this field will populate with the rate entered in the job setup form that can be changed. If you use this optional bill rate category, this rate can be calculated and displayed in department and job reports. Bill rates are often used for third-party billing. And we're going to bill at $20 an hour. So we add the level codes, we see it appear here. You can add further other codes, for example, transfer. Transfer might be at $14.50 an hour, and bill rate would be, let's just say 19. Stocking, is 14 and 19. Okay. And then we would click Save. Okay, you'll notice 101 is here. At this point, it's available to assign to employees. We can click on Assign Employees and select all the employees that we want to assign this to. Click Confirm, and they would be applied, and they would show up in the employee's time clock. If you want to ensure that a rate matrix does not show up for an employee, then you need to go to Employee Company Members, select the employee and edit, and under Rate Matrix, ensure that it shows None. Thank you for watching this TreeRing demonstration. Please check out our other videos on the TreeRing channel.